Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto in Hamburg. Just wanted to make a quick video today to fill everybody in and give you a case study. We've been talking in this affordable car ownership series about the different ways to make your car ownership affordable. And I wanted to give you a real life example of one of the vehicles that demonstrate a best use case of how we can do this at DeBoer's Auto and how we can help you maintain your vehicle for a very long time. So we had a customer who had a vehicle, it was a company-owned vehicle. We started seeing the vehicle at 100,000 miles, and that's right around the time it's due for a bunch of services. And we saw this vehicle on a very regular basis, and the company that owned the vehicle believed very much in this preventative maintenance program. So every time that vehicle came in, according to its schedule, it got all the services that it was due for. And we started seeing it at 134,000 miles. And so you figure we did a number of transmission services, another number of coolant flushes. And over the years, that vehicle was able to go over 300,000 miles. It actually ended up, last time we saw it, with 361,000 miles on it. So if you take care of your car and you maintain it according to the preventive maintenance schedule that we use, we don't use the ownership, the one that's in your owner's manual, because the ones that are provided by the manufacturers are not really what we see as best practice in the industry. So vehicle manufacturers are in the business of making vehicles. They're not in the business of maintaining them. We are in the business of maintaining them. So we have our own set of industry guidelines that we operate off of for maintaining the vehicle. And it's what we see in the industry as what will be best practice and what will get the most life out of the vehicle. So for this and some other great tips, head on over to autorepair.shop.